Here's an interesting animal. If you have arachnophobia, then get the fuck off this video. It's not for you. But this is called the Goliath bird eater. This thing is approximately about 1 foot wide. That's 30 centimeters for the Europeans. That is the biggest spider on the planet. Native to South America, like Brazil and French Guiana, this thing preys on rodents and frogs and insects and actually rarely birds, even though it's called a bird eater. But the way it does that is quite interesting compared to the fact that it's a spider. You see, the Goliath bird eater doesn't build webs. There is no webs coming from it, ever. So what it does is the fact that in South America, in the forests of South America, it is very well camouflaged in the forest floor with the branches and the leaves. And we all know tarantulas. They all have these, well, not all of them, most of them have these hair down their legs, right? Which make them incredibly... Whoa! But these hairs actually have a very important purpose. You see, the hairs are highly sensitive to vibrations in the air. And these vibrations are, of course, caused by creatures that are near it. So this bird eater will wander around, and as soon as it senses something moving around near it, it sits completely still, dead still, which makes it practically invisible to the rodents and the frogs and the insects. In this scenario, I'm just going to talk about a specific rodent. So this rodent will walk around the area of the spider, not noticing this massive fucking thing the size of a dinner plate. But before you know it, the rodent gets too close. The fucking spider jumps the rodent and stabs the rodent with its two 1-inch long fangs, injecting a neurotoxin which basically paralyzes the rodent. And from there on, the prey is pretty much dead. I mean, it's not dead, it's just paralyzed. It's still perfectly alive. So the spider now just picks up this rodent and walks back to its burrow. And when the spider then gets back to its burrow, because it doesn't have any teeth to actually chew on the rodent, what does it do? Basically, what the spider does is it regurgitates its own digestive fluids, like the acid we have in our stomach. It regurgitates it out into the rodent, basically liquefying its insides. And when it's done doing that, the spider just sucks the inside out like a smoothie through a fucking straw. I'm canceling my trip to Brazil, that's for damn sure. Fuck